Hi everyone, I'm here today just to show you how to connect Google Home to the Blindtex motor. So we're going to open up the connector app like this. Now you may not have already set your rooms up, or in this instance I've already set a room up for example, but once you do them by adding new room, you'll go into there and we'll start adding the blinds you want to add. So you'll just press the plus at the top. In this case, I'm adding a Roman blind, so I'm choosing the radio motor. I'm adding Roman blind there, and we're going to start to connect it there. This is just recognizing the home Wi-Fi, which is fine. And now we're going to use by remote. It's by far the simplest option. So once you've already got the blind connected by the remote, what you'll need to do is just open up the back of the remote so it looks like this. And it's going to ask me just to press this button twice next to each other, and you'll see there the blind does jog and it does make a noise. From that, once you've heard that, you press next. You'll hear it jog again twice, beeps, and that's all connected, up and running. So you'll click next, and this is just where you'll personalize this blind. So obviously I'm going to call this Roman blind. Click done, just so that I know it's this particular blind. I'll use that, and we'll take a quick picture there. We'll save that so we can always remember that it's this blind I'm controlling, and that's everything done. So you click done, and you'll see there this is this blind saved. Fabulous. So what we do is we'll just go back to the start here, and you'll press the little menu option at the side, and you'll click more IoT settings, and you'll select Google Home. So when this comes down here, we'll click link now, and assuming that you've already got your Google Home set up, this will link through, okay, and do everything that you need to do. And you should see, once this refreshes and pulls everything through, there you go, I've got the Roman blind there. So from there, I should be able to ask Google to raise this Roman blind. So let's have a look. Hey Google, open Roman blind.
Got it. Opening the Roman blind.
So there we have it. That's how to connect the Blindtex motor to the Google Home just by using nice simple instructions.